Hi, it's Jack from Veterinary IT Services, and today I'm going to talk to you about the things you should consider when reviewing your options of moving your IT setup to the cloud versus a local server setup in your practice. So why is this such an important decision to make? Well, we consider IT infrastructure to be a fundamental pillar at the core of any successful veterinary practice. Choosing whether to keep your IT local in your practice versus migrating to the cloud is the key decision that you'll have to address before anything else, as this will affect other technology considerations moving forward, e.g. what PMS you'll go for or what type of internet you might need. So what are the 4 things to consider? Well, there are many considerations, all of which we've outlined in our blog on our website, but I'd say the most important are cost, security, remote access, and scalability. Now I'm going to cover those 4 in a little bit more detail next. So starting with cost, a basic consideration and probably one of the first questions you'd ask. Make sure you know what it is you're getting for the price you're paying. A cloud-based solution will generally have minimal upfront costs but larger recurring costs, but bear in mind that you are paying for a full package solution. Now a local server is going to have a greater initial cost, but you will incur lower monthly recurring costs, but there is a lot more onus on you. Moving on to security. With an ever-increasing number of cyber attacks, especially since the pandemic started, you really cannot afford to take your eyes off security. As the cloud is a full package service, security is maintained by the vendor. The security of a cloud solution will always be superior to a local server solution due to their endless budget. Now, if we compare that to a local IT setup in your practice, you'll have to manage and maintain the security yourself, which may be a complete headache which you don't need. We then move on to remote access. Now this is extremely important right now, with more and more emphasis being put on remote access within the industry due to coronavirus. With a cloud-based solution, you'll have the ability to access key systems such as your PMS, emails and important files from anywhere, and in most cases from any device. This is already built into the service with security in place to protect your data. While if we look at a local service solution, there'll be many hoops to jump through to be able to remotely access your systems. In most cases, these are less secure and would likely require intervention from an IT professional. We then move on to scalability. Now this is very important if you're looking to set up a new practice or if you have plans to expand, such as increasing your staff numbers, or even if you have multiple sites. Now cloud solutions are extremely scalable and can adjust to your needs. All you have to do is contact the vendor to adjust your package. Now if you are planning to grow your practice fast or even want multiple sites in the future, this would be a great option. If we look at a local service solution, you'll always have a limitation, and there's always that risk that you'll outgrow it and have to further invest. Now, if you're planning to grow your practice fast or want multiple sites in the future, then you'll need to budget ahead accordingly. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to know more, check out our full blog, Cloud versus Server, and how to make the best decision for your veterinary practice, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.